बरोबर त्याने कुणीतरी जोरात मारायची ती. Come on, yeah. Why all? Let me receive. Last. Make it last game. Last game. 1 second service.
You just take a.
Stop. ये फोन आला है. चल. हेलो. Well taken. भाऊ, ये फोन आला है. 8692298674. हेलो. Ayer sir. Sorry. Sir. सर्विस कर. Very good. Come on. Over? Okay, well played.
Good evening, Mr. Pawar.
Good evening, sir.
कैसा है तुम्ही?
अगदी व्यवस्थित.
अच्छा. Today I decided to take a little interview of yours. You are a very nice man. You are a very humble man, and it has been a great pleasure meeting you, sir. And the way you are devoted to your students, as a coach, is something really, really amazing. So tell me something. How did all this passion start?
See, we started my tennis career from Khar Gymkhana.
From?
At Khar Gymkhana.
Okay.
And I started my career from the ball picker to as a coach.
Excellent.
And I met two Davis Cup players for India.
Okay.
They played for Davis Cup.
Okay.
I started in Khar Gymkhana.
Okay.
And I also learned in Khar Gymkhana.
Okay. So Khar Gymkhana has been the essence of your coaching. And when did you come to Met?
We started 25 years back.
Okay. So you have been
under
here.
Rizvi.
Yeah.
Under Rizvi.
Under Rizvi.
Yes. And we started last 10 years back in under Rizvi. We have a coaching for outsider. And so
Okay.
many people was playing in our club.
Yeah.
And we started coaching from 5 to 50 years. Anybody can come and play tennis.
Excellent.
And we not require the membership here. Anybody can come.
Yeah. I've seen it. No, what I like about you, no, sir. I mean, honestly, I don't even know you too well, but I meet you during my walks, morning, evening. You are a very humble man. You are very down to earth. And what has made you like this?
See, God made me,
Yeah.
but all people love me, and I started my career from you only.
Sahi hai. No, you have. I have seen the way you, the way you tackle the children, the way you have made them into champs. I'm sure under your guidance, a lot of students must have had a lot of success. I've seen children with their fathers over here. I've seen little grandchildren with their grandfathers over here. So you have instilled a lot of things. And just tell me some more thing about what you really want to do with these kids. What do you want their achievement to be?
I want to start this coaching for anybody can learn tennis. See, we also started the middle class people. They want to come and learn tennis with our tennis. This is the richest game. And we started for the middle class people. Anybody can come and play tennis, so they can improve the tennis.
Yeah.
That's why we started the tennis.
Because you know the racket is expensive.
Very expensive.
Yeah,
Ball
so you know
also
for
very
the
expensive.
for a and it is not like you know for a person that is absolutely from the poorest class,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
for him to have this.
We providing the
Yeah,
racket. for
I've
them.
seen it. I've seen
And
the way
so
you
many
have,
people who learn, they not afford to pay the fees.
and
also.
even your,
Yes.
even your, even
Yeah,
your.
yeah. Hey, but
Even your
ball pickers,
ball
my
picture,
assistant
they
coaches.
have, and your son, Junior Pawar, I call him. You make a fantastic team, and I've seen they are very polite. They don't have any arrogance, and they are always. Though sometimes they tell me always to pick up the ball, and I tell them I can't bend down. He's the most handsome guy. I thought he was your son, but यहाँ सब आपके बेटे ही लगते हैं. और मुझे तो बड़ी आई एम रियली हैप्पी सर. आई इवन बॉट माई ग्रैंड डॉटर यू नो हियर, बट देन यू नो आई मीन शी इज सो स्मॉल, शी इज 3 years old, and then her parents, then Ramzan was going to start, Rosa and all. It's very difficult for them to come here, but you know I mean my granddaughter, she still loves you, she still remembers you. So some more thing, at least some more thing you would like to say.
Amir Khan and Ashutosh Gowarikar.
Yeah.
Both learn under me.
Okay.
And the 25 national level players. I started my career from Khar Gymkhana, Wellington Catholic Gymkhana, and 27 places in Bombay.
Very good.
And so many people who learn under us. Now they're teaching the tennis also.
But sir, you are also closely connected to Bollywood. और मुझे लगता है कि कहीं आप बॉलीवुड में आप को हीरो या तो नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, लेकिन यू वुड हैव.
Pathak
हाँ.
and Rageshwari, they played under us.
आप मोहन कुमार साहब के बारे में बहुत
कुमार
बातें
साहब
करते हो,
काफी हमारे मोहन कुमार साहब हैं, प्रेम जी साहब हैं.
क्योंकि मोहन कुमार साहब के जो दो बेटे हैं, रोहित और गौतम ना, दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू मी. आई हैव नोन देम फॉर एजेस नाउ, मे बी 25 years आई हैव नोन देम. आई हैव बीन गोइंग टू मोहन जी's हाउस, एंड व्हेनेवर यू टॉक अबाउट मोहन जी ना, आई रियली फील.
नहीं, उन्होंने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया मुझे. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर फ्रॉम द बॉल पिकर, उन्होंने मुझे बनाया. जैसे प्रेम जी साहब है, मोहन कुमार साहब है, पंडित के राजदान.
जानता हूँ मैं.
खार जिमखाने में जो उन्होंने बेटे के जैसा प्यार किया.
सही है.
अपनी खुद की रैकेट उन्होंने मुझे खेलने के लिए.
वेरी गुड.
जैसे सुबोध मुखर्जी साहब हैं, जैसे काफ़ी खार जिमखाने में ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट करके
एक मकाम बनाया,
पिकर से लेके
एक मकाम बनाया आपने.
वो वहाँ तक लाके उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. जैसे साइड लाइन टू सेंटर कोर्ट में
नहीं,
डाल के
सही
खड़ा
है.
कर दिया. ये मेरा अपना
एंड यू हैव एनी मैसेज फॉर द यूथ ऑफ टुडे? डू यू हैव एनी मैसेज?
काफ़ी लोग सीखे टेनिस, अपना करियर बनाए और अपनी जो सेहत है वो बरकरार रखें.
और आप उनसे ये ना कहेंगे कि आप जिसको अगर ऐसी कुछ भावना है और कुछ है, वो आपसे आके इधर मेट पर मिले,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मिले.
यू नो, एंड यू गाइड देम.
जी जी.
You know, because
लोगों को ये भी पता नहीं कि कहाँ टेनिस सिखाया जाता है.
नहीं तो आप
लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि किसी क्लब में अगर आप मेंबर हो
जी.
तो आप वहाँ आके सीख सकते हो. बट यू कैन कम एंड लर्न हियर
Yeah.
इन ABT.
What have you to say, Junior Pawar, about your dad?
My dad is he's a fundamentalist coach. Like everyone knows him like from ages, and the best thing is he started his career like from he was just in school. So I salute him totally because and he gave whatever we want, whatever we say. Next thing,
Now you're going to make me cry.
no, sir, nothing.
Why? You know, I'll tell you, because I also have a son like you, and what you're saying, you know, about your dad is bringing tears in my eyes, because this is the meaning of fatherhood. You know, they say Father's Day comes once. I think it comes every day.
Yeah, sir.
What about you? Say something. What would you like to
Just
say?
because of sir, what I am now,
Okay.
and credit goes to Mr.
No, but you are also an excellent. I've seen the way you know, the way you support him and the way you work out with him. It's amazing. I'm really, I think you all make a fantastic team, and God bless you all. And sir, तुम्हाला माझे शुभेच्छा आणि हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आणि जय महाराष्ट्र सर.
जय महाराष्ट्र. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. थँक्यू.